Ctrl T is used in Excel to create a table. Take a case, this is the data is available, so you want to create a table here. Go to that cell and press Ctrl T. Now in this you can select the data and then accordingly press OK, so a table will be created. So you can see the table has been created. Second use of Ctrl T is in PowerPoint. It can be used to increase the font size. So here is a PowerPoint, press Ctrl T and then the font window will get open. From here you can change the font size, font type, style, etc. Third use of Ctrl T is in a browser window. So it will open a new browser window. So here is a internet, my Google Chrome browser, and then press Ctrl T. So you can see a new tab has been opened. Thanks for watching my video. Please subscribe to my channel.